students in the class from 4 different universities have been divided into 4 teams, and they're each in the process of developing a public artwork to be displayed on site in Griffintown as part of the REM's 1% art program.
We are interested in that which resists control. Like a weed breaking through the cracks, we are searching to uncover what has always been there, the people, the stories, and the changes they went through.
We've thought a lot about how to materialize this notion of vibrations.
Our project is kind of going in this direction of focusing on direction.
It occurred to us that this kind of process was indicative maybe of a kind of urban failure. And we became kind of obsessed with this word failure.
That's why we were interested by the idea of a house or a shelter, something with a roof.
There is vines that we might use. At one point we thought about making a kite because we want to play with the height also.
We thought that it would be kind of a good starting point to each bring a value to the table and use that as a way of kind of joining all of our directions in the same kind of way that the site does.
Il y a plusieurs mots qui nous sont venus en tête là, pour poser ce commentaire. Au début, c'était fail parce qu'on pensait que c'était abandonné, mais en fait, le terme qui nous est venu en tête, c'est stand-by.
I mean, it means waiting, as we all know, but it also means support, like to stand by someone, a really beautiful gesture of care.
Sound waves then become a visual thing, right? That can ultimately become the design of a bench or design of a sculpture. And that's kind of the sound of the site made tangible.
And we also have immaterials. We've thought about vibrations and we've also thought about sounds. We could give the voice to the birds also.